Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to buy DaVinci Resolve Best Guide to Buying DaVinci Easy DaVinci Resolve tutorial. So if you want to go ahead and install as well the paid version of DaVinci Resolve onto your end, then you're on to the right guide. So this is what DaVinci Resolve 18.6 version should look like. And if you want to install also the paid version onto your end, or if you want to buy that, just head onto your local browser and search in there the black magic design. Once you're in here, click onto this one and you should get redirected onto their page. You should be able to see in here also onto the upper part the different products. So you'll have to click onto that so that you'll get redirected onto the different products offered by Blackmagic, and that includes the DaVinci Resolve and Fusion software. Click onto that one and you should be able to see that one here onto the middle part. So this is what I'm currently using right now, DaVinci Resolve, which is the free version. But if you want to go ahead and buy the other version, we have the one in here, which is the DaVinci Resolve Studio. This is its price. Simply click onto that and you'll get redirected onto its page. Right after, you'll just have to scroll and you should be able to find in the option in here to buy online now. Click onto that. And right after that, you'll get redirected onto Blackmagic Design Store. Now it will ask you to review your order, which is one, the quantity of your DaVinci Resolve Studio. So that is the price for that. So you could go ahead and try to change this in here because the price actually depends on your country. So feel free to choose the country that you're currently in here so that you could go ahead and try to install it. So for example, this one. So it should go ahead and adjust also the price depending on your country. So we have the shipping for that, which is just for free, and many more. So if you have a promo code, just simply apply that one in here or type it in here and click on apply. Right after, here are some of the different payment options that are available in here. We have PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and Amex. Just go ahead and click onto which one you prefer and then type in your payment details. Also, please be aware that when you place an order for DaVinci Resolve Studio, your activation key will be emailed to you immediately and your serial number will be emailed to you with a tax invoice during business hour. They also have the refund policy in here. Before you place an order, feel free to go ahead and read through that. And that is how easy you could go ahead and buy DaVinci Resolve, the best guide to buying DaVinci. If you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.